Acceleration versus mass by Avneet and Monica.
Which ball will fall first?
The weight of the soccer ball is a lot greater than that of the tennis ball, which leads to the standard misconception that the object with a heavier mass will accelerate at a greater rate, causing it to reach the ground first. This is wrong. Recalling from the kinematics unit, we could use one of the equations to determine the time it takes for each ball to reach the ground.
Since both the distance and acceleration are given, we can use this equation to determine the time.
The acceleration is negative 9.81 meters per second squared due to gravity, and since the balls are falling straight down from a height of 1.65 meters, the displacement is vertical as well as negative.
Nowhere in this equation is mass relevant. Therefore, the time it takes for each ball to reach the ground will be the same.
The speed of both balls as they reach the ground changes all the time. Many people believe that both balls will have the same gravitational force on them, even though the soccer ball is much more heavier.
The force of the soccer ball is 7 times greater than the tennis ball as it has a greater mass.
The only force acting on the balls is the force of gravity. The force of gravity is the force that Earth uses to draw objects towards itself. All objects upon Earth experience a force of gravity that is directed downwards towards itself. Using the following equation, the force of gravity can be found for each ball. Since their masses are different, the soccer ball and tennis ball will have different gravitational forces.
The gravitational force for each ball is different, but the gravitational field strength is the same.
Since both balls are in the same gravitational field strength, the rate at which they accelerate is the same, 9.81 meters per second squared. This concludes why both balls will reach the ground at the same time, even though they have different gravitational forces acting upon them. Remember, gravitational field strength does not equal the force of gravity.
Created using Powtoon.